then check this out. This is for you. All right, here it is. So this is my laptop, my MacBook. And then there's this sleeve essentially that your laptop screen sits in. And then here's the other screen over here. And then it's connected with a USB-C. So I have a USB-C port on my MacBook, and that's where it attaches. There's also USB to USB-Cs, cords that come in the box. So you have multiple options there depending on the ports that are in your laptop. Those super cool things, just, you know, just like a normal other screen would work. You can click and drag it on over. So it just goes right over onto your other screen and back. Super easy to use. I literally set it up, plugged it in, and it was ready to go. So if you're looking for a way to work better while you're out on the road, get yourself one of these laptops. They are amazing. If you're looking for a way to work more effectively while you're on the road, get yourself one of these laptop screens, and it's an extender so that you have two screens while you're traveling. How cool is that?